Hi, we are Yarmouth Learning Strategies for Employment, and we're going to teach you the steps to call in sick. Step 1, know the number.
1-902-742-7744. Steps 2. Dial the phone.
Step 3, leave a message or talk to your boss. Say who you are, tell them you're not feeling well or you'll be late. Close the conversation by saying thank you and goodbye.
Leaving a voicemail.
Watch as Nick waits for the beep before he leaves his message.
Hi there, you've reached Yarmouth Life Skills for Disabled Adults. We're not able to take your call right now, but we would love to be able to speak with you at a later time. So if you would leave your name, number, and a brief message, we will contact you again. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. Start recording at the tone. When finished, press the pound key.
Hi, my name is Brandy. I can't come in today. I am sick. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Starting the boss.
Good afternoon, Life Skills. Sherry speaking.
Hi Sherry, it's me, Ev.
Oh, hi, Ev. How are you today?
I'm not feeling well today, so I won't be in.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. So are you going to call me tomorrow? Okay, thanks for taking care of that. Get better. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Tell me why you would call out of work.
When you're sick.
When you're tired, you should not call in sick.
Goodness. Why?
Because tired is not being sick.
Good point. Let's hear it again one more time.
Hi, my name is Andy. I am sick today. I'm not in today. Thank you. Bye.
And there you have it, the steps to calling out sick. Now you can practice on your own. Good luck, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please press like and subscribe to Yarmouth Learning Strategies for our next upcoming videos.
Baby. Better.
What? Hello.
Hello.
Oh, good morning, Life Skills. Is that what? Am I in this?
Why should you call out sick? Wait, that's the wrong question. I think